is the app called ShowMe. It's a free app that allows you to record screencasts or have students record screencasts to flip your classroom. Opening up the interface, you see that you have a nice number of options. I've created some ShowMes that you can see and scroll through as a list. What we're going to do in this tutorial is actually show you how to create a ShowMe and then share it with the world. So I'll go ahead and press the plus on Create New ShowMe. At the very top of the screen, you see that you have an eraser, you can insert pictures, you can undo, you can erase your whiteboard. Up here is where you are going to be recording, and then you have a plethora of colors that you can choose from as well. So I'm going to clear all my drawings, and from here I can set up a whole list of options. I can teach a lesson, I can give the kids a sample problem and hand it off to a student, let them solve the problem, be able to go through, change colors based on the student's preferences. I can also insert photographs, going up to the top here and choosing a photo. So this is one that we've done for today. I can take and I can pinch and zoom to make it smaller, to make it larger. Now, one of the great things about ShowMe is that when I'm done, one of the great things about ShowMe is that I can clear all the drawings or I can clear everything. So if I go up to the eraser, the massive eraser here, I can clear drawings only or I can clear all. If I clear drawings only, notice that all the writing that I've done on the screen is gone. I can underline the problem, say, all right, make sure that this is a dashed line, make sure that this one is a dashed line, and that these two are solid lines, just as a heads up. What else I can do is I can clear all. If I clear all, that takes everything out. One of the great advantages of ShowMe is the eraser, the small eraser, where I can fix some of my mistakes. So if I have some spelling problems, I can work on inserting and correcting those mistakes, or using the eraser up here, just simply take out parts of it. This is something that some of the other screencasting functions won't allow me to do. To record, I'm simply going to press the record button, and if you notice down here at the bottom, I'm recording my screen and it's counting up, giving me a timer for it. One thing that I recommend is writing down the words or the problems that you're going to be working on and then pausing that recording so that you can catch your breath, gather your thoughts, write down the next few parts, and then continue your recording. It gives you a little bit more time to think things through, plan things out, work the next step, whatever it might be. Once you're finished with the ShowMe, you'll go up to the top left here where you see Save ShowMe. And what it does is it actually plays it back for you. It will give you an idea of whether you want to keep it. So you can go to Save or you can go down to Delete. Now if I go to Save, I'll be able to save it as a sample. Gives me a number of options here. Since I'm a math teacher, I'll choose math. And this is, say, solving inequalities. This just makes it easier for the field of people to search for your ShowMe when you're done with it. So, solving inequalities, and I'll finish. And it's in the process of posting. So now up in the top right of that screen, I see that I've got that orange triangle with the globe. What this means is that this is shared with the world at this time. So everybody can see this. Your students can see it. You can share out with anybody that you choose to. The other great option is down here, the export button. So I can press on that, and I have a number of options here. One thing that I like to do is email it to students, email it to parents, be able to have that example for them to see as they're working on their homework or flipping the classroom, getting them prepared for the next couple days of lessons. or opening it in Safari. And on this, it will take you to the ShowMe website where you have your video here. Once it's done converting, you'll actually be able to take the embed code, use the embed code to include it into your website, and be able to share out that embed code so that you can easily just place the ShowMe into a website that you've already created. It's a great app. It's one of my favorites. Hopefully it helps you out a little bit, and appreciate the time.